Single-phase alternating current exists in most residences and is the primary power source for most small heating, cooling, and refrigeration systems. Quite often, the single-phase power that's supplied for these applications is 208 to 230 volts. 110 volts, which is commonly found in residences, is made up of one hot wire and a neutral wire that supply 110 volts. The hot wire is often color-coded black and fused, while the neutral wire, which is often connected to ground, is color-coded white and is not fused. The 240-volt single-phase system consists of two hot wires and one ground. Both L1 and L2 are fused, but the ground is not. A voltage reading of 120 volts can be measured from either hot wire to ground. When a voltage reading is taken between L1 and L2, the reading will be in the 240 volt range.